Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to Antics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make ice cream sandwiches. So, first I'm making sugar cookies. And we're not going to make the ice cream, but we're going to make the cookie part. Stop the video here just to let you guys know here are all the ingredients you will need to make the cookies. Guys, I just want to tell you that this recipe is expected to make 16 cookies. So anyway, I'll see you when we get to making them. So I already did this part, but what I have in here is 2 3/4 cups of flour, a half teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and a half teaspoon salt, and then I just whisk it. Next up, I'm going to put 1 cup of butter in here, which is 2 sticks of butter. I'm going to soften the butter a little bit so the stand mixer can mix it, and then I'm going to also put sugar, and I'll tell you how much of that in a minute. So let's get started. And also I forgot to tell you guys, but I could heat the oven to 375 degrees. Okay guys, now that the butter is soft enough to mix, we're gonna put it in here. Okay, and now we're gonna put, I believe it's 1.5 cups of sugar in it, the stand mixer with the butter. Okay guys, I put 1.5 cups of sugar in with the butter. Now we're gonna put the paddle attachment on and be on medium-high speed until light and fluffy. I think it's like maybe about 3 minutes. So this is loud. You guys probably don't want to listen to it, so I'll be back when it's done mixing. See you then. Now we are going to add 1 egg and beat until smooth for about 30 seconds. I'll be back when that's done. See you then. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla and beat until just combined. And I'll be back when I do that. Bye. Guys, now we're going to add the flour mixture that we already made. And we're just going to mix that on low speed until just combined. Or like not even combined. Like don't overmix it. It's fine if there's still some floury bits around the bowl, but just don't overmix it. Okay guys, I have my cookie dough batter right here. And we're gonna roll the cookie dough balls into sugar. So I put about like 1/4 cup of sugar in this bowl. And you can really make them however big you want, but I'm gonna like use this ice cream scooper to scoop it. And also I have a tray with parchment paper on it. I'm just gonna do 1 tray at a time because I didn't feel like finding another tray. But you can do as many trays that you want. And now I can't really show y'all this, but like I'm just gonna roll it in my sugar. It's rolled in sugar. Now I'm gonna place it on my tray, and then maybe I'll speed this up because you guys probably don't want me to watch me do this so slowly. Okay guys, my cookie dough balls are finished, so now I'm gonna put them in the oven and bake them for 10 to 13 minutes. I'm gonna probably start with like 9 or 10 minutes-ish, and then I'll check them and see if they need more time. So let's put them in the oven. I'll be back after I put them in the oven. Okay guys, I put them in the oven, and while those are baking, I'm gonna go ahead and do another tray so I don't have to like wait so long to do another tray. And I'm just gonna be back after I do this tray or when they're done baking. So I'll see you then. Guys, this cookie dough tray is done, and I used up all my cookie dough batter. So now I'm just have to take these out of the oven in a couple minutes. Okay guys, my first pan of cookies, I took them out. They look amazing, but now before we do anything else, we have to wait for those to cool. And I put the next pan of cookie dough in the oven. So I'll see you guys when that's done. I made ice cream sandwiches. So I just put some ice cream between 2 cookies and then put in the freezer, and now we just have to let it chill, but I'll be back when they're done to show you them. And also, you don't have to make, like, you could use the sugar cookies for anything you want. It does not matter. Anyway, I'll be back in a little bit. Bye. Here are the ice cream sandwiches. They kind of look messy, but they were actually really good.